Hello, I'm Cameron Douglas. I'm a sales associate here at Kendall Lexus, and today we are going to be highlighting the new 2024 NX. One great thing about the NX luxury package is the added comfort features. The luxury package has automatic folding seats, so you have buttons in the rear. But say you're picking up somebody from the airport and they have a little bit more luggage than you were expecting. You can pop that rear hatch from the driver's seat, and you can even fold down that rear row all from the center screen. It's super simple to get to. You just have to go to the vehicle settings on the main screen, hit seat settings, and then from there it'll show you a fold rear seat down option. You just have to click the button and it'll do the rest for you. For more information, feel free to subscribe to this page, or you can come down to our showroom at 330 Goodpasture Island Road and ask for Cameron. Or you can find us on the web at kendalllexuseugene.com. Kendall, let's start something great.